At Aspire GB, we are leading the way in making public buildings safer and more accessible, with our overarching mission clear: to save lives. We are committed to ensuring the best means of emergency evacuation for everyone in your building, especially persons who could need assistance. The SL Power motorized evacuation chair is one of the most versatile and capable evacuation solutions ever. It is a brilliant choice for upward and downward evacuation, as well as regular access needs, such as climbing your steps to the main entrance, or even a backup option should your lift fail or lose power. With its powerful motor and lithium-ion battery, the SL Power delivers a swift and smooth ride across up to 150 flights of stairs and carries up to 180 kilograms, 28 stone, making light work of evacuations. The upright configuration makes transfers straightforward and simple, helping to reduce manual handling and ultimately keeping your people safe throughout an evacuation. The durable rubber tracks provide excellent traction on both internal and external surfaces, and the integral navigation light assists with safe passage in dark stairways. The SL Power is designed with robust construction, wipe-clean surfaces, is compact in storage, and suitable for single-person or two-person operation. Use it for evacuating from any level, above or below ground. From a hotel to a hospital, from a school to a stadium, from a care home to an underground railway station. The applications for this chair are endless. Book your free evacuation assessment and demonstration today. The SL Power motorized evacuation chair from Aspire GB. Powerful, effortless.